I am Dr. Yuta Luis Ofomba, General Manager and CEO of Dash Inspectorate Cameroon, TWF County Representative Cameroon, TWF Integrated Coded Welder Qualification Scheme Committee, TWF Annual Assembly Regional Planning Committee. The World Federation of Africa TWF is meeting its 5th regional workshop in Kampala, Uganda, under the theme of establishing and growing national content in welding technology. This involves industry development of different nations, focusing on their different specificities for national industry development in an integrated approach. The World Federation TWF is the solution to Africa's manufacturing industry and has as a mission to improve the science and application of welding and joining in Africa, with a vision to become the vanguard linking industry, research, education, and policy makers towards contributing to the advancement of welding and joining science for a safer industrial Africa and the world. It is the continent's body responsible for championing activities in engineering, science, and application of joining technologies, providing a forum for networking and knowledge exchange amongst scientists, researchers, industry and educators, and disseminating leading-edge information and best practices. The continental goals of TWF include to establish a platform to recognize the contributions of Africans to the development of the science of materials joining, to establish a platform to harmonize knowledge in welding, science and technology, to promote uniform growth across industries in Africa, to establish an education, training, qualification and certification system for immersion across African industries. In the field of national content, national governments have developed strategies for industry development in your respective nations to meet all industry development imperatives in your respective countries, which fall in line with Agenda 2063 and Agenda 2030. Agenda 2063 targets making Africa the continent we want, a shared strategic framework for inclusive growth and sustainable development, and a global strategy to optimize the use of Africa's resources for the benefit of all Africans. The agenda has 7 goals and 20 targets. The 2030 agenda of the United Nations, Agenda 2030, has 17 sustainable development goals and 169 targets. It is an agenda for sustainable development on the planet and has 5 thematic areas, which include people, planet, prosperity, peace, and partnership. In the integration of national content into regional perspective for the development of industry in the different nations, national governments have integrated 2 agendas into their development strategy, that is Agenda 2063 and Agenda 2030. In Cameroon, the government of Cameroon has set up a long-term development strategy to make Cameroon an emerging nation by 2035. The vision of Cameroon is to make Cameroon an emerging nation, which is contained in the National Development Strategy of Cameroon 2020-2030, and entails making the nation a newly industrialized nation by 2035. The President of the Republic of Cameroon, Paul Biya, in his traditional end of year message to the nation, has on many occasions underlined the importance of the role of the industry in every great nation. There is no great nation without a vibrant industry. Paul Biya. The industry of these different industry sectors and different classes of work, and the question of tax in these different industry sectors requires skills, working to the different industry norms, and these skills can only be acquired through training and certification. The industry, which has been the motor behind economic development in all nations, has however included a lot of negative consequences on the planet and its ecosystems. These negative consequences include climate change, which is fast taking its toll on the planet with negative adversities such as droughts, sea level rise, flooding, extreme heat and ecosystem collapse, requiring urgent measures to mitigate this negative toll. In Cameroon, the floods have been terrible this year in virtually all regions of the country. The far north, the west regions, northwest region and southwest regions, and in certain areas, droughty conditions. In Yaoundé, The Yaoundé City Lake, which is found at the center of the city, is almost drying up. Today, we are calling on all companies to set up science-based targets initiative for their activities for 1.5 degrees temperature rise or 2 degrees temperature rise. Science-based targets initiatives have a lot of advantages, which include building business resilience and increasing competitiveness, driving innovation and transforming business practices, building credibility and reputation, influencing and preparing for shifts in public policy. As TWF sets up the stage to boost manufacturing industry in Africa, we are calling on all businesses to align their business strategies with the Sustainable Development Goals and to set up science-based targets initiatives to fight climate change.